session, nigga. Fit. Hey, sit on. I don't trust shit cause these niggas be tellin'. I got that AK-47. Glock on me, nigga, don't like Smith & Wesson. Got a little shooter and that nigga a felon. Nigga be preaching, just like a reverend. Nigga be capping, man, stop all that flexing. Been in the streets since I was 11. These niggas be broken for really stressing. Everywhere I go, nigga, I got the weapon. I got the fire on me in my session. Compact Glock, gotta stay protected. You a young nigga, you a freshman. I get to that money and it's not a question. Think this shit sweet, bitch, you ain't gon' test it. I ride around with the stick, living reckless. Pull up on them, shoot a nigga for that blessing. Pull up on them, shoot a nigga for that talent. Shoot a whole clip, niggas died in seconds. Sliming these niggas, know they want vengeance. You a small fry, nigga, you a peasant. Anything I get in, know it's selling. I really got gas bags in this man. These niggas be switching sides and I don't smell it. These niggas be flopping and that shit is expected. Only told Glock, nigga, that's my preference. First place shit, I don't do the second. I fucking way and the drug infested. I seen this shit, fucking around, get hectic. Running for money, then I snatch his necklace. Brought him 2 times, he ain't learn no lesson. Counting no rest, I know these niggas jealous. How the fuck you dissing me, what you was begging? I headshot niggas aiming at the melon. Pull up in a Porsche and it's 911. Ain't playing baseball, nigga, but I'm catching. Got so many sticks, you don't want no attention. Hollow headed niggas sentence us to heaven. Just peace only and I'm counting blessings. Talking about sticks but never had a weapon. Serving the junkies on the first and second. Your bitch in my trap and she started necking. 50 band gang, what I'm representing. I really got ties with some fucking mess. I felt like El Noriega in the present.